Stop me if you've heard this one. A French beef stew walks into a bar in Saigon, meets a gorgeous bunch of lemongrass, falls madly in love, and 9 months later, Bo Kho is born, and it is beautiful. Today we're making the noodle soup that makes pho jealous. It's spicy, it's savory, it's got layers of flavor that'll have your taste buds standing up and forming a committee. So here's what you're gonna need. 2.5 pounds of beef chuck, cut into generous chunks while you dream of how tender they'll become. You'll also need garlic, ginger, fish sauce, 5-spice, brown sugar, lemongrass, the whole aromatic orchestra. First, the prep work, because good things come to those who mince. Mince your garlic, mince your ginger, slice your onion thin enough to read through. Cut your lemongrass, some into 3-inch stalks for perfuming, the rest minced fine enough to make a Parisian chef weep with envy. And peel those carrots, 8 of them, cut on the bias because diagonal is dramatic. Now into a bowl goes that beautiful beef. Add your garlic, ginger, fish sauce, 5-spice, and brown sugar. Toss it like you mean it. That sugar? That's not just for sweetness, my friends. That sugar is about to throw a party called the Maillard reaction. Marinate 30 minutes. Go admire your herb garden. You have one, right? Heat oil in a Dutch oven. Heavy pot, heavy flavor. Add those lemongrass stalks. Let them perfume the oil for 1 minute. Now the minced lemongrass and 8 cloves of garlic. Yes, 8. Cook 2 minutes, stirring constantly because we're making magic, not charcoal. Add your onion, cook till translucent, then add all that beef. Here's the rule: spread it out. Let it sit. Let it brown. That sizzle you hear? That's the sound of flavor molecules forming. Don't crowd. Don't rush. Let it get gorgeous. Add tomato paste. Cook 5 minutes. Caramelization city. Then 8 cups water and 2 cups coconut water. Not coconut milk. Coconut water. It adds sweetness without turning your soup into a tropical smoothie. Star anise, black pepper, chili powder. Adjust to your bravery level. Paprika, and annatto for that sunset red color. No annatto. More paprika works, but your soup will be less Vietnamese sunset and more Tuesday afternoon. Still delicious. Simmer 1 hour. Then add those gorgeous carrots, salt, soy sauce, and chili oil. Simmer another 40 minutes. During this time, collagen breaks down into gelatin. That's the science of silky. That's the magic of melt in your mouth. Fish out those lemongrass stalks and star anise. They've done their duty. Now, noodles in bowl. Ladle that glorious red stew over the top. And then, this is the moment, cilantro, Thai basil, raw onion for crunch, and a lime wedge because brightness cuts richness like a knife through warm butter. Taste that. The beef is butter soft, the carrots are sweet, the broth is spicy, savory, fragrant, and impossibly silky. It tastes like history, French technique wrapped in Vietnamese soul, and it is unreal.